Starting with trims, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade comes in a blue SEL8P FWD version, while the Lexus UX offers the UX300H FWD. These trims set the tone for each vehicle's focus and features. The Palisade is a mid-size three-row SUV, perfect for families needing space and versatility. The Lexus UX, on the other hand, is a compact luxury SUV, designed for style and urban agility. Price-wise, the Hyundai Palisade is positioned at $45,155, reflecting its size and features. The Lexus UX is more affordable at $36,955, catering to buyers seeking luxury on a budget. Under the hood, the Palisade boasts a turbo gas/electric i4 engine, combining power and efficiency. The UX uses a gas/electric i4 hybrid setup, focusing more on eco-friendly driving. When it comes to muscle, the Palisade delivers an estimated 329 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, outpacing the UX's 196 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Torque figures show the Palisade's strong 339 lb-ft at 1 revolution per minute, giving it impressive pulling power. The UX offers a more modest 139 lb-ft at 1 revolution per minute, suited for city cruising. Both SUVs feature automatic transmissions, but the Palisade uses a 6-speed A/T with dual shift mode, while the UX opts for a CVT, prioritizing smoothness and fuel economy. Fuel efficiency favors the Lexus UX, with an EPA rating of 45 city/41 highway mpg, compared to the Palisade's 34 city/32 highway mpg. The Palisade stretches out with a 116.9-inch wheelbase, contributing to its spacious interior. The UX is shorter at 104 inches, enhancing maneuverability in tight spaces. Length measurements highlight the Palisade's commanding 199.2 inches, dwarfing the UX's compact 177 inches. Height also reflects their different purposes. The Palisade stands tall at 69.5 inches, while the UX is lower and sleeker at 61 inches. When it comes to sheer power and space, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade stands out as the ultimate family SUV with its turbocharged engine and roomy three-row design. Meanwhile, the 2026 Lexus UX shines with exceptional fuel efficiency and refined luxury in a compact, city-friendly package. Which one fits your lifestyle?